I tried Sensefolio app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. I spent a full week exploring Sensefolio, an app promising to simplify investing and help you understand your portfolio like never before. Most people get overwhelmed by investment apps, but here's the surprising truth. Sensefolio combines intuitive design with actionable insights, making investing feel almost effortless. From the moment I signed up, the onboarding process impressed me. The app asks about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and preferred investment style, then instantly generates a personalized portfolio overview. You can see exactly how your money is allocated across sectors, asset classes, and even asks scores if you care about sustainable investing. During my 7-day trial, I focused on 3 main features: portfolio analysis, market insights, and goal tracking. Portfolio analysis provides a clear picture of your holdings, highlighting risks and opportunities that most investors often overlook. For instance, the app flagged a sector overweight in my test portfolio, showing me where diversification was needed. Market insights are another standout feature. Sensefolio aggregates financial news, stock trends, and expert commentary in one place. Most people get this wrong. They either ignore market data or waste time chasing news, but Sensefolio delivers relevant updates based on your portfolio, keeping you informed without overload. Goal tracking makes the app highly practical. You can set objectives like retirement, emergency savings, or buying a house, and the app simulates how different contributions and risk levels will affect outcomes. Seeing the impact of small, consistent investments in real time is both motivating and educational. The shocking truth: Sensefolio isn't just a tracking tool, it's a full-service investment companion that empowers you to make smarter, faster decisions without needing a finance degree. Even beginners can feel confident managing and growing their wealth. In conclusion, if you've been avoiding investing because it seems too complex, Sensefolio is a game changer. Its combination of clarity, automation, and insights makes it easy to take control of your financial future while staying informed and in charge.